Did you know that the line between sustaining life and destroying it is incredibly thin? There's a special kind of fat that holds the fate of our cells in its hands. It's called plasmalogen, and it has a surprising dual nature. The membranes of the 37 trillion cells that make up our bodies contain a vital lipid called plasmalogen, which protects them from oxidative damage, or rusting. You can get plasmalogens from foods like scallops, and they're gaining attention as powerful antioxidants. However, recent studies have revealed that these same plasmalogens are key to a process of cellular self-destruction, called ferroptosis, showing they have a dual role. Today, we'll explore these two surprising roles of plasmalogens, based on the latest scientific reviews. Inside our cells, there's a constant, invisible tug-of-war going on to control the levels of a crucial fatty acid called arachidonic acid, which is involved in inflammation. On one side, an enzyme works to release this acid from the cell membrane to be used for energy or signaling. On the other side, another enzyme tries to store it within the cell membrane, specifically in phospholipids rich in plasmalogens. This delicate balance ensures that arachidonic acid is available when needed, but safely stored away the rest of the time. The research suggests that plasmalogens act as a vital reservoir for this acid, supporting the normal activities of our cells. In essence, this means that plasmalogens help to suppress inflammation within our cells. But the arachidonic acid stored in plasmalogens has another, more dramatic role to play, and that is to trigger a special type of cell death called ferroptosis. Ferroptosis is an iron-dependent form of cell death, caused when the lipids in the cell membrane oxidize, or essentially rust. Polyunsaturated fatty acids, like the arachidonic acid found abundantly in plasmalogens, are particularly vulnerable to this oxidation. This means that when the time comes, plasmalogens sacrifice themselves by becoming oxidized, playing a critical part in executing this programmed cell death. These dual functions, storing arachidonic acid and triggering cell death, are deeply connected to our overall health. In fact, recent studies suggest that ferroptosis may be deeply involved in a variety of diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. If the balance of plasmalogens is disrupted, this cell death program can misfire, potentially harming even healthy cells. The building blocks for plasmalogens are polyunsaturated fatty acids, which we get from the foods we eat. These are essential fatty acids, meaning our bodies can't make them, so we must get them from our diet. They include omega-6 fatty acids, which primarily become arachidonic acid, and omega-3 fatty acids, which become DHA. This suggests that by reducing your intake of omega-6 fatty acids, found in things like vegetable oils, and increasing your intake of omega-3s, found in fatty fish, you can help maintain the health of your cell membranes. And since oxidative stress is a trigger for ferroptosis, adding antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables to your daily meals can also help protect your cells. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.